guys, welcome back to my airport at 9. But why? Let's get to it. Up in the air, of course. I really had no clue what to expect when Mason asked me to meet him. What to expect when Mason asked me to meet him at the airport. Had he planned a trip? Did he really think I could drop everything and just go somewhere? As good as the fantasy sounded, I hoped I wouldn't have to tell him no. I had my family to worry about, not to mention Noah and Noah. So, as I stepped onto the tarmac, it was with some trepidation I noticed a small plane being de-iced on the runway. Addy, you I always deliver. Now, what was it to you wanted to be show? Remember how I used to say if I could have any superpower, it had be flying? Believe it or not, you are looking at a freshly minted bona fide pilot. You got a pilot's license. That's amazing. Why don't you tell me earlier? Because I love your surprised face. Or is that your impressed face? I am impressed, but I can't believe you kept this a secret. Mason shyly rubbed a hand over the back of his neck and gave me that million-watt smile. Wanna see the plane? Do you have to ask? Yes. Wow. Your parents bought you a plane. Nah, it's just a rental. I have been using it since I started taking my flying lessons. You could have fooled me. I wouldn't pull your leg like that. Here, take a look inside. Maybe I was shallow, but Mason looked so confident boarding with that plane. Not a lot of guys had the skills he had. Maybe you could take some pictures for the silent auction. You're right, I need a picture of the new pilot in his element. Mason laughed and made a big deal of posing for the camera. First, he put on captain's hat, then pretended to board. Maybe hike your leg up a little. That's it. Well. Perfect. My portfolio needed a shot like this. If you think that's impressive, just wait until you're airborne. What? You're gonna take me flying? What else could I ask you to come here? Mason helped me up and I got into the passenger seat. Suddenly, everything felt very real. You sure about this? Damn sure. Need any help getting settled in? He leaned closer until his lips budged over my collarbone. Then he gave the seatbelt a forceful tug. That's not in the safety manual. I like to improvise. Oh god, sorry for this noise, it's so much. But just coming from up a floor, I can't do anything. Soon we were primed and ready, gazing out at the endless runaway. As soon as we got all clear, it was Mason's moment to shine. Hold on. I had been on planes before, but never on this small. We were already flowing, going away. Oh my god, we are in air, Mason, we are flying. Pretty cool, huh? Okay. I glanced out the window and looked down at Eastridge, blanketed in snow below us. It looks good. The sun glittered off the rooftops, the glassy lakes. I could see kids riding their bikes through plowed sidewalks. The moment was so magical, so tender. I forgot about everything except for me, the man sitting next to me. Pretty cool is a major understatement. Okay, this is disturbing me a lot. I'll complete this. I'm pausing this right now. I'll complete this when the silent goes off. Thank you. Well, I just got the report from above, and they said this work is going on for the whole day. So, yeah, we are not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. We are continuing because I can't waste my day like it. That I'm not in from being scouted, the academic bar is pretty high. They had be stupid not to sift you. You're Mason Jennings. The Air Force is your calling. Yeah, of course. At least I think so. Mason, are you having second thoughts about your future now too? I thought you had everything all planned out. It's just my dad wants me to do exactly what he did. get the football scholarship, be the star quarterback, graduate from the Air Force. As much as I love flying, it's a lot of pressure. Yeah, that's how I felt about my dad expecting me to do cheer. It's rough, isn't it? My dad's dreamed of me taking up his mantle ever since I was a little kid. Like, get a hobby or something. He's still furious at me for turning down that football scholarship. I don't know if he'll ever talk to me again. Oh, Mason, I'm sorry. I'm sure he'll come around. Maybe, but it doesn't matter. I'm here now, in the air, with you, flying a plane, and that it's incredible. I wish I knew how it felt. Well, you can. Wanna take control for a bit? But I don't know what to do. That's what I am here for. I'll be right beside you every step of the way. Well, I can't fly the plane. Move over, Captain. Nah, this is your moment. I'm kinda worried about crashing the plane. No pressure. I just thought I had offer. We should probably be getting back anyway. Speaking of crashes, did you know 80% of plane crashes happen while taking off and landing? Well, we have survived taking off. How many times have you practiced landing? Oh, this is my first time, though I had just wing by. Mason, Addy, they don't give you your license unless you know how to land. You're safe with me. Once we were back on the ground, I couldn't stop thinking of how beautiful it had been to see East Bridge from so high up. Me to have dinner at his house, I said yes. But as we walked up the marble driveway, Principal Jennings was waiting for us on the doorstep. Son, you're back. I have been wanting to have a word with you. And Addie, always a pleasure to see you. Oh god, this is weird. Mason and I exchanged a glance. Since when was his dad this excited about, well, anything? Dad, what's going on? Here, look what came early. Principal Jennings handed a large envelope over to Mason, whose jaw dropped. It's from the Air Force Academy. Today's the day you find out the path you'll take from the rest of your life. Well. It's a big decision from my friend, my best friend, or my best friend from childhood, or my lover, anything. But it's a big deal for him. And this decision holds the rest of his life, which is a really big opportunity. Thanks for watching by and doing this with me till the end if you are here. And I will bring chapter 50 with for you all soon. Just hoping that this construction would end soon. Thank you.